Shannon in.
I'm not touching
Do I have to open the door? Why won't you touch the door
I
handle?
don't want to.
Germaphobe.
You touch it.
Alright,
You're
I'll
the
touch it.
germaphobe.
I already touched a Butterfinger that had all kinds of nasty germs on it, so. Y'all check out my TikTok tonight. I'll send it in the group. It's really fucking funny.
Wait, put this in.
Oh man. You just have all these tabs already. Here. I was not.
Wait, what always
People are looking at my pit right now. Where'd Nikki go? Wait, don't abandon me, Danielle.
I'm gonna shut the door.
Do it as a joke. Do it as a joke. Shut the door on me as a joke. No, but I have to be like, hey, where'd Nikki go? Did you see her?
No, I don't.
Okay, I'm gonna check inside for her real quick.
Okay.
Don't. What the fuck? All right, you get more pit. people on pit. Oh shit! There she is for real. That joke was funny as fuck, but at the same time, we literally ruined it before the joke even came.
What joke?
The one where you slammed the door on me.
Oh.
They know it's coming. It'll still be funny. It'll age well. This is like an unorthodox good vlog.
Did you press pause or is it still going?
No, it's still going. I don't pause.
I don't pause for nobody.
I don't pause for nobody. You know what I'm saying?
Not nobody.
See you, Nikki.
Bye, good morning.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, what's tonight busy?
What's tonight busy?
No.
For me? For me or for you? Oh.
Tonight
Okay.
is not
Let's
busy.
restart.
What?
Thank you. Means a lot.
Was tonight busy?
I thought it was like steady and like kind of busy. But
It was
what was it to
steady.
you, Danielle?
Steady.
Steady
Robin.
Eddie, steady like Eddie. You still trained up in Ollie's boyfriend?
What?
Oh shit! I never told that
Trained
joke
up
to you.
Holly's boyfriend.
No, you could call it a boyfriend of sorts. It's kind of a weird hostage situation though.
Holly. What the hell? I gotta pee
I'll
really
tell you
bad,
about it.
'cause I
Okay.
did not.
All right, Shannon out.
Bye.